So now I'm just looking at how I can match up those corners there. Obviously if I follow the line along, you can sort of feel that the fin then curves slightly up. So again, not too much glue near the front of the fin. I'm going to match up that line there. It was curving up. I like it curving up. Okay. Those up. Right, it's the bottom that's critical. Whoops. That's what it looks like this way around. This way around. I've overglued that, so I could have left it if I'd have not overglued it. Made that shape with one overlapping the other, but it should work fine. Not too much stress on the joint. It's all working fine, so that's good. Rah, 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 rah. I'll trim this shape down. A little bit of overheat here. It does tend to go over to one side slightly because your thumb's offset to one side. Particularly bother me. You can sand this down. It'll look fine on camera, I'm sure. Rah, 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 rah. Not totally happy with it, but it's a first. Now we come to fitting the fin, which is this section. What I do, we want the smooth edge facing the front of the shaft. So I know I'm going to take a section out of it about here, so about halfway along. I glue it together. That's in effect the back of the fin, and I'm going to make a little hack into there later. So kind of looks good. It gives me a little bit of uppity. Out, you're going to take these too high up, you're going to lose a bit of space underneath the account. I'm sure you've got plenty. Yeah. So I think I'll just follow the back line here. I might even curve this. Why not? one side at a time. Okay, so I've got the fin here. I'm just going to glue that back up a little bit. That should fit it all together like that. It's quite an upright fin, because I wanted it that way. British. Okay, so I've got my fin on. I've tidied up the back there. Done a little cut there. And he's all working. He works well. Back looks like that. So now I'm just going to put the tail in. I can offer that up like that. Fitted how I might want it, because it flex around a little bit. The V there centres it. And that's the tail section just glued in there, like that. I'm just pinching the glue there, bring all these sides around. That tail plane is lined up with the fin. Starting to come together, which is a nice time. That's the front of the fin we cut out earlier. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go around this section, but with a view to me cutting it. When it's all put together. The bottom of the fin we need to do likewise. And you can see, typically there's no glue around the edges because I'm going to cut them. And just offer that up. Little tail fin we made earlier. And you can see how that slightly bends it around. So that's going to work. I'm rubbish with a glue gun. I'm sure a lot of you are a lot better. I've got it quite square and I'm just going to let it cool down there.